What if every denied healthcare claim was quietly costing you $25 before it's even paid? We analyzed 40,000 healthcare claims across multiple providers and payers to uncover the hidden patterns behind denials. In this reel, you'll discover which specialties face the highest denial rates, the most common denial reasons, high-risk diagnosis codes, and the provider groups losing the most revenue. These aren't guesses. They're insights powered by SQL and real healthcare data. Watch till the end to see where the money is leaking and how data can help stop it. Most SQL projects fail before a single query is written because the database schema is poorly designed. Before analyzing healthcare claims, you need a clean relational database. Here, we split the data into 5 core tables: patients, providers, payers, diagnoses, and claims. Each table stores one responsibility while keys connect everything together. This structure eliminates duplication, speeds up queries, and makes analytics reliable. With this foundation, we can answer questions like claim costs, diagnosis trends, provider performance, and insurance insights using efficient SQL joins instead of messy spreadsheets. What if one SQL query could instantly reveal thousands of denied insurance claims? This is where SQL starts solving real healthcare problems. We filter the claims table, count every record with a denied status, and instantly calculate how many claims were rejected. No manual counting, no Excel formulas, just one efficient query delivering accurate business insights in seconds. This metric helps hospitals and insurance companies identify billing issues, reduce revenue loss, and improve claim approval rates with data-driven decisions. Think all insurance companies treat claims the same? This SQL analysis proves they don't. After cleaning and joining thousands of healthcare claim records, the next step is measuring denial rates by payer. Using SQL, we group every insurance provider, count total claims, calculate denied claims, and derive the denial percentage with aggregate functions and conditional logic. The results instantly reveal which payers reject the most claims and which have better approval rates. These insights help hospitals reduce revenue leakage, prioritize claim follow-ups, negotiate with insurers, and improve the entire billing process. That's the power of SQL turning raw data into business decisions. One SQL join can tell you exactly why claims are getting denied and which medical specialties are losing the most money. This analysis goes beyond simple claim counts. We join the claims, providers, and diagnoses tables, filter only denied claims, and group the results by medical specialty. Then, SQL counts every denial to reveal which departments face the highest rejection rates. These insights help hospitals identify billing errors, improve clinical documentation, optimize coding accuracy, and recover lost revenue. Instead of guessing where the problem is, SQL pinpoints the exact specialties that need attention, turning raw healthcare data into decisions that save both time and money. Think dashboards are just charts. Watch how raw healthcare claims turn into business decisions in seconds. Here, we're analyzing healthcare claims data with an interactive Power BI dashboard. Every chart answers a key business question, from total billed cost by diagnosis category to spending patterns across treatments. Instead of scrolling through thousands of records, decision makers instantly spot high-cost areas, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. That's the real power of analytics, transforming complex data into clear insights that improve operations, reduce costs, and support better patient outcomes. Want to know which healthcare providers handle the most patients? SQL can rank them in seconds. This query uses SQL window functions to rank healthcare providers by claim volume within each specialty. Instead of just counting records, it compares providers inside their own department, making the analysis fair and meaningful. Hospitals can instantly identify top-performing providers, balance workloads, optimize resources, and improve operational efficiency. This is how advanced SQL transforms millions of healthcare records into insights that drive smarter business decisions. Most SQL developers know correlated subqueries. Top analysts know when to replace them. This comparison shows correlated subqueries versus SQL window functions. Both solve similar ranking and aggregation problems, but their approach is completely different. Correlated subqueries execute repeatedly for each row, making them slower on large datasets. Window functions calculate results in a single pass, delivering cleaner queries and better performance. In real-world healthcare analytics, choosing the right SQL technique can save processing time and scale effortlessly across millions of claim records. Not every expensive claim is fraud, but every high-risk claim deserves attention. This SQL query flags high-risk healthcare claims using a case-when condition. By comparing each claim's billed amount against the average cost of its diagnosis category, It automatically labels records as normal, high risk, or review required. Instead of manually checking thousands of claims, analysts can instantly focus on unusual billing patterns, reduce financial risk, and prioritize audits. This is how SQL turns raw healthcare data into actionable business intelligence. A single chart can tell you where millions are at risk. Here's how. This dashboard compares flagged and clean healthcare claims after automated risk detection. At a glance, you can see how many claims require immediate review versus those that pass validation. Instead of manually auditing every record, analysts focus only on suspicious claims, saving time, reducing costs, and improving fraud detection. This is how SQL and Power BI work together, turning complex healthcare data into fast, actionable insights for smarter business decisions. Want to track healthcare payouts like a financial dashboard? SQL can do it in one query. This query calculates a running total of monthly healthcare payouts using SQL window functions. Instead of looking at isolated monthly values, it continuously adds each month's payments to reveal the overall spending trend. Finance teams can instantly monitor budget growth, identify unusual spikes, forecast future expenses, and make smarter financial decisions. This is the power of advanced SQL, transforming raw healthcare claims into meaningful insights that drive better planning and cost control at scale. What if I told you this simple chart could help hospitals prepare before patient demand even spikes? This dashboard tracks monthly healthcare claims from January to June 2025, revealing a consistent upward trend in claim volume. Instead of looking at thousands of raw records, decision makers get a clear visual story in seconds. Rising claims can indicate increasing patient visits, seasonal trends, or expanding healthcare coverage. With insights like these, hospitals can forecast workloads, allocate staff efficiently, optimize budgets, and improve patient care before problems occur. This is how data analytics transforms healthcare, turning historical data into smarter, faster, and more confident decisions. What if one SQL query could instantly reveal providers with unusually high claim denial rates? In this analysis, we're identifying healthcare providers whose denial rates are more than twice the average for their specialty. Using SQL with common table expressions, we calculate the specialty-wise average, compare every provider against that benchmark, and filter only the outliers. This helps insurance companies detect unusual patterns, reduce fraudulent claims, improve claim approvals, and ensure providers follow consistent billing practices. Instead of manually reviewing thousands of records, SQL delivers these insights in seconds. Think SQL is just about select statements. These 6 techniques are what real data analysts use every day. In this healthcare claims project, we applied 6 essential SQL concepts to solve real business problems: multi-table joins, connected patient, provider, and claims data. Window functions ranked top-performing providers. Correlated subqueries uncovered hidden insights. Case, when flagged high-risk claims instantly. Common table expressions simplified complex logic, while group by and having identified denial rate outliers. These aren't just interview topics, they're the SQL skills used to analyze millions of healthcare records and support smarter decisions. In this project, we analyze real healthcare claims data using advanced SQL techniques. From complex joins and window functions to CTEs, case statements, and ranking queries, every analysis answered a real business question. We uncovered denial patterns, identified top-performing providers, tracked claim trends, and generated insights that help hospitals and insurance companies make smarter decisions. This is the kind of hands-on SQL experience recruiters and hiring managers are looking for. The complete code is available on GitHub and the full project walkthrough is on YouTube. Follow DataPeak Solutions for more real-world SQL, Power BI, and healthcare analytics projects.